All right, it should be better now. It will show you sometimes there's a little delay. Okay, cool. Now I can see it. So you guys should be able to see it. Not sure. Sometimes there's like a weird overlap between the OBS and the whatever. All right, I have to figure out. Oh, Tesla's already at 1176. Frigging. Oh no. No. Green. Green, 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 green. Green gang. I'm trying to get over all 4 of these are green, but it's probably going to be really hard. Okay, there we go. I got the picture I wanted. Oops, undo that. I guess I could look at Facebook. I don't. There's really okay. So YM 10-minute is probably not going to take a trade because it's in an upward momentum. Obviously, we have till 1140 for YM and NQ, but they're both in a green overall trend, and the market is very bullish today. So we probably won't get trades in those. The range obviously will be something that we look at later, and HG is done because it ends at 9:30. Oh my gosh, everyone is just buying all of the Teslas, and I'm just over here. Where's the hard eyes? There they are. Shop moves so fast. 1800. Oh my gosh, Tesla's at 1182. Yeah, that is insane. That is just insane. Look at this bounce off those moving averages, though. All right, ES is up at this pivot of 47.19. I need to go back to my alert group because, oh, I'm in here. Because that swing alert hit all TPs. Awesome sauce. Okay. So that swing on ES was from 47.07 to 47.19. We hit all 3 targets, so that was awesome. Hey, Andy. Hello, hello, hello. I'm trying to figure out what the hell stock to put in here. Oh, that's delayed from my shop thing. I definitely don't want to short on this. Oh my God, Tesla's at 1186. I could have gotten out of these covered calls on Friday. I really need to stop holding covered calls through the weekend. It's like the worst fucking thing ever. Obviously, I could get out of them, but I really feel like maybe it will pull back under 75. And I had it at 85 too, and then I was like, oh, I'll do 75. Because the delta was good. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever. All right, so really nothing happening here. This is the YM 10 minute. This is the NQ 10 minute. Really nothing going on. I should probably turn this stock off because I really don't want... Oh, I could have it on and then just put strategy off. Damn it. We'll see. Like, I feel like we could close under 1175. The market's closed on Thursday. So, yeah, maybe there's going to be like a huge push today, a continued push tomorrow. And then maybe we'll sell off a little bit on Wednesday. And then Friday should just be like kind of shitty sideways action with very little volume. So I'm not like so far off. That's why I kind of want to just hold and not get out here for like an $8,000 loss, $12,000. So, and again, I'm getting paid to have these. So what was, I think it was like $9,000. Well, and I only have 5, so it wouldn't take all of my shares. It would take 5 of the 7 leaps. So it'd still have the 2 leaps. But again, this is getting close to, you know, the highs. People are buying 1240 calls, okay, on Tesla. That is how crazy this shit is. 1240. Get the fuck out. Get out of here. Oh, maybe I should put NVIDIA up. NVIDIA. No, that's a big push too. I don't know. There's nothing really great going on today. Honestly. Like, this is great to just have positions that are pushing up in the market. And if you could have gotten long on the NASDAQ at 50, that is where the huge move was. It literally ran from 50 to 05, 07. It went from one pivot to the next. Like, that was obviously the trade. We caught ES, so I'm not worried about that. But NQ, I spoke in the group about the 50 level, and I said, let's see what happens at the open. And then clearly I was distracted by Tesla, but, you know, the people in my manual group knew to watch 50. So they're manual traders. They can take a trade as they wish. So hopefully some of them caught that move from 50 to 07, which is 57 points, which is over $1,000 per mini contract. I'm not trying to overdo it this week. It is a holiday week. A lot of people are already on vacation or just taking the week off to celebrate Thanksgiving. So I am not here trying to overtrade. So, and I'm in this shop position that I might just close. Because it just doesn't look very good.
Order canceled.
So we will see what happens.
Order filled.
Like, what I should really be doing here with this Tesla position is selling those other two at like 1,200 for this week. It's even 1205 is 30%. 1210 is, I actually like to be, I think I had like 20. Sell 2, let's see what that would, that's $3,000. $3,200. All right, so those got filled for $1,235 for this week. NQ is bouncing on this pivot. I might actually look to take a short here, just to kind of play the bounce, like the pullback.
Order filled.
I took a quick short. Obviously, this is just a scalp
Order submitted.
because the market is going crazy. It's at green, $40. We'll see if it can draw a little more. All right, 60, 115. There we go.
Order filled.
All right, I grabbed like $100 on that. Nothing too crazy. It's bouncing off of this pivot. This moving average at 98, and then just bounced back up. So. Again, not too much going on this week. Oh my God, clearly I should have looked at what the high was for today, because these 3,000, 3,200. I want to write down what was the price of those other ones. What did I trade it at? Was it like 17? I think it was. Get my pen. All right, let's see. 3,200 to 3,200. And then I have 5 at... I'll definitely try to sell those right away. Not Roblox. Oh, I could actually pull that up. Let's see what's Roblox doing. Oh, it took a short. Interesting. I want to see my Tesla 7. So 1435. So 1435. Yes, it's like 1,400 times 7. So like $10,000. 9,800. 9,800. Okay. Okay, I was close. All right, that other one's coming back down. That's good. But we are still at 1187, which is crazy. Which is nuts. I saw something about a Tesla cell phone coming out at some point. Like, that's insane. Oh my gosh, ES is just beasting. And I didn't really know that historically. Thanksgiving week is like super beast. I remember last year everyone kept talking about Santa Rally, and last December was not very Santa Rally-ish at all. So I don't really know what that was about, but maybe it was because we were going in, that was after the election, right? That was last year. And then we were going into like him being sworn in or inauguration. I don't know, maybe. Oh my gosh, look at ES and NQ here, people. They just can't stop. They can't stop. Can't stop. I could roll these. let's see, how does that work? This one, 1175. $11.75 for December. Oh, $12.15 for this week. It would cost me $9,000 instead of the 14th. To me, that's really hard to figure out. I think I'm just gonna keep it. Whatever. It is what it is. It's a short week. We'll see if it pulls back at all. And if it doesn't, whatever. I make $10,000 off of it. And so right now I'm red 14,000. So I'm red like 4,000, if that makes sense. Because I make money up to 11.75, and then after that is when I'm losing money. So even if it closes over 11.75 and I lose my leaps, say it closes at 11.80, I'm not missing out on much profit because it's only $5 that I'm not getting paid for. Is how that works. All right, YM 10 minute, nothing going on. NQ 10 minutes, just going to keep beasting. NQ range doesn't play a factor until later. I have physical therapy at 11. So I'm going to wrap this up soon. Again, huge morning, but just not something I could really do much with. Obviously, like I said, if you caught the long in NQ, that was really the winner. But yeah. So I caught ES. I'm happy about that. Because ES for me is like, yeah, because I wasn't going to stream today, Andy. That's why my screen looks like that. I started elongating everything for my own benefit. And then I was like, oh, I'll stream for a little bit. So I'm probably just going to wrap it up here. There's not much to do here as markets are at highs, Tesla's at highs, you know. There's really nothing to do. So, yeah. So I'm probably just going to wrap it up. I'll get on tomorrow. We'll see if we have some more opportunities. Also, AMD, like I was going to trade AMD, but it's just like super beasting. So when that happens, I try to just stay away. Because like, what am I going to get from this? Obviously, on this pullback, I could have manually gotten long, but the algorithm's not going to get me long. So yeah, that makes sense. All right, well, thanks for joining anyway, and we'll touch base tomorrow and see how that goes. Thanks, guys. Bye.